Welcome to all of you. In this video, we are going to know about some important rules of nouns. So, number one, the nouns which cannot be pluralized. So, these nouns are scenery, information, poetry, furniture, luggage, advice, business, mischief, bread, machinery, stationery, abuse, fuel, rice, gram, issue, bedding, repair, news, economics, physics, mathematics, classics, ethics, athletics, innings, gallows, whereabouts, summons. These are the nouns which cannot be pluralized. But some of the words can be turned into plural with the help of these words like item, a lot of, bit, article, piece, act, cake, etc. For example, he provided me many pieces of information. Next example, on buying 2 cakes of soap, one will be given as gift. Now, there is the list of some nouns which are used only in the plural, with a plural verb. For example, the words are scissors, spectacles, tongs, trousers, breeches, remains, proceeds, annals, auspices, assets, environs, credentials, alms, riches, intestines, contents, chattels, billows, gymnastics, stockings, shorts, goods, premises, thanks, tidings, fetters, pantaloons, savings, binoculars, scales, gloves, shoes. Now, some nouns look plural, but they are singular. Those nouns are measles, mumps, rickets, billiards, draughts. Now, another important rule is some collective nouns are singular in form, but they are used as plural nouns with a plural verb. For these nouns are cattle, poultry, people, gentry, peasantry, artillery, infantry, clergy, offspring, police, progeny, company, military, vermin. Now, exception is when people is used in the sense of nation, the plural is peoples. For example, there are many peoples in Asia. Now, another important rule about noun is some nouns have the same form in singular and the plural. For example, deer, sheep, fish, apparatus, yoke, swine, aircraft. Exception is also there. When we see fish in different forms separately, the plural form of fish is fishes. Now, some nouns that are preceded, another important rule, some nouns that are preceded by a numeral, they are remain as such: foot, meter, pair, score, dozen, head, year, 100,000, million. For example, a 3-year degree course, 10 dozen pencils, a 5 rupees note. Now, important thing about it is that when there is no numeral before them, then we will use s to turn them into plural and place of after them. For example, thousands of people came to attend the function. Now, another important fact, some collective nouns, when they show unit, have a singular verb. When they show division, they take a plural verb. For example, jury, public, team, committee, government, audience, orchestra, company, family, crew, congregation, audience, class, club, crowd, gang, staff, union. For example, the jury took the decision in its favor. The jury were, now plural, the jury were divided on the issue of reservation. So they are the collective list of collective nouns. When they show unit, they have singular. When they show division, they take a plural. Now, means and wages, these two nouns can be used in both singular and plural. For example, the wages of sin is death, singular is there. Now, the wages have gone high. Now here you can see plural. Every means was applied for getting success, singular. Now all means were applied for getting success, now plural. My means are not such as are of yours. In this sense, income, it is used in plural here. So this is all about the important facts, important rules about nouns. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If it is liked by you, please subscribe the channel and share the video. Thanks a lot once again for watching it. God bless us all.